Shakalaka!
Welcome to another episode of
Yo Ass Hungry Now.
I'm Chef Alex.
And I'm Chef Jamal. And
today we got something crazy for you.
Pretty nuts, actually. Pretty nuts.
Okay, you guys ready?
Ooh.
A giant spider! No, I'm kidding. We're doing king crab Hong Kong style. Of course, our little twist. So yeah, let's get to it.
Let's get right into this.
All right. For our greens, we have a soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, fish sauce, citrus, lemon and lime, ginger, lemongrass, garlic, scallions, cilantro, red chili, tapioca starch, salt, and our king crab. We're gonna start by processing our crab into long, sliced pieces down the middle. So today we chose already pre-cooked. And they're already scorpion for us, so it makes it super easy to just get your knife in between them. So when you're cutting these shells, I would use not your nicest knife. Use something that's a little more durable, you don't mind hacking at it a little bit. If you're using your nice Japanese or German knives, it can ruin your edge. We're gonna do a slight marinade on this crab, so we're gonna hit a little bit of freshly grated ginger, garlic, a little bit of citrus zest. We're gonna add a touch of sesame oil. A little tossy toss. Chef, can you smell that? All that aromatics coming out of there right now?
It smells beautiful. It smells so good.
Perfect. So we're gonna add about half a cup of tapioca starch here. Maybe a quarter of a cup, excuse me. So for you guys who haven't used tapioca starch, it just gives you a very, very nice light coating. Not too heavy like you might get with flour. It's very nice, light, crispy dredge. It's gonna go beautiful when we fry these guys. Alright, so there's a lot of moisture in here, so it's coming a little bit gluey. That's okay. We're gonna spread it thin on a plate and just add a little more starch on top.
I'm gonna get the knife cuts going for our crab here. I'm gonna thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic. Set those in my bowl. Julienne, 1 shallot. Next I'm going to julienne a few slices of ginger. Thinly slice some red chili. I got some cilantro roots that I washed. Rip them off. Give them a rough chop. Add those in our bowl. To finish it off, I got a scallion here. I'm gonna cut it on a nice bias. Bias is just an angled cut. Gonna throw our green onions in a bowl. We're gonna give our crab a light fry. Get those in the fryer. We're gonna fry them for about a minute. Time to remove our crab.
All right, so we're gonna season our wok. Touch of olive oil. We're gonna add our beautiful shallots and ginger. Mix. Oh, that smells incredible. Wow.
Already.
We should get all that in there. In goes our crab. We're gonna deglaze our pan with some lemon juice. Lime. Oyster sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, and just a splash of soy sauce. We're gonna saute this down for about 3 minutes. All right, we're gonna finish this, guys, with a little bit of fresh scallions. Get them ready to be plated. All right.
We're gonna finish this off with a little fresh cilantro, some scallion, some red chilies, and a couple lime wedges. And here we have Hong Kong style crab. It's time to taste it.
All right, let's do it. Wow, you gotta go down dirty for this, eh?
Dude, that's delicious.
That's
I really
awesome.
like it.
Citrusy, fresh. I almost want to eat the shell.
Right, you just crack right through that with your teeth. Yeah.
Wow.
The meat's so tender.
That's fantastic.
The claw meat, holy shit. Thanks for watching another episode of Your Ass is Hungry Now. We got new episodes every week, so make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Yeah, thanks for watching.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Peace.